Hi everyone, this is Shakti from Pondicherry, Friendstone 360. Normally, we people think about Pondicherry or we thought about Pondicherry, we get more excited. Why we get more excited? Here, there is a lot of information here why Pondicherry is so special for Indian and particularly FTS, foreign tourist arrivals. Because Pondicherry has a unique culture, unique geographical location, unique way of approach in the hospitality industry, unique way of natural calamities. These are the major facts. Apart from this, Pondicherry has economically and spiritually, in tax point of view, we have many relaxations, and in spiritual hub also taken many good places here. When we talk about Pondicherry, Pondicherry has like people in Pondicherry, those who are living, they have a very good vision and very friendly hospitality people who are stakeholders of this Pondicherry. See, normally we think Pondicherry is a French colonial area, but actually French colonial area, it was a French colonial area, but not only French colonial area. It was ruled by Portuguese. It was Pallava dynasty was here, and almost two three dynasty was here at the period of from it start from 700 and 1200 years and 1500. After this, all the years comes up after the independence of this British rule, and Pondicherry got independence from French rule. So when people think about and talk about the Pondicherry, we have a understanding about the Pondicherry means, for example, is a leisure tourism is promoting, and we are promoting in experience Pondicherry, we are promoting explore Pondicherry, we are promoting heritage Pondicherry, we are promoting food and cultural based Pondicherry. There is a many kind of cultural events happenings here in many days, and every regular activities happening. Many people think that after COVID there is no point of view to having a tourist visitor at Pondicherry. Not like that. With the safety standards of your proceedings, our local administrators government has done. So people from domestic traveler and those who are from international travel, they can also warm welcome to Puducherry. And even COVID-1, we are the first state in India. We opened the tourist destination for the country, and we proudly say that still we have a good standard safety measurements we took, and our administration also took very good way. So people across India and apart from this other India, international travelers, kindly please don't have hesitate and worries about the safety standard issue. Here the Pondicherry is a very clean and green Puducherry. We are warm welcoming to you this again back to Puducherry. We are here to serve you in the better way. So even the government of India and French government and the Puducherry government all together having a long vision to take forward this Puducherry. And at this time we take privilege and we grateful to the government of India to making this city as a smart city, and that project also still going on, and many beach properties are still construction going on. So these all Department of Tourism took very good initiatives, and government of Puducherry and France government also given a lot of support to us to establish these kind of infrastructures. So I hope all domestic and international traveler, please come back to Pondicherry and please kindly start your part of life being joyful here, and have experience in Pondicherry. We warm welcome to you, and again we have all kind of safety standard measurings. We keep on following it. Thank you so much everyone. Hello India and hello France. Please come back to Pondicherry. Have a good experience to you. Thank you so much. Come with your family and enjoy every aspects of Puducherry and every destination of Puducherry. Thank you so much. Have a great day to all of you. Kindly watch this video. Thank you.